In the ever-evolving world of web and mobile development, few technologies have made as significant an impact as ReactJS and React Native. But have you ever wondered about the secret history behind their inception? Today, we're diving deep into the origins of these groundbreaking frameworks that have transformed how developers build user interfaces. ReactJS, created by Facebook in 2013, was born out of a need for a more efficient way to manage complex user interfaces. Its component-based architecture revolutionized the way developers think about building applications, allowing for reusable code and improved performance. Fast forward to 2015, and we see the emergence of React Native, which took the principles of ReactJS and applied them to mobile app development, enabling developers to create stunning apps for both iOS and Android using a single codebase. Understanding the evolution of these technologies is crucial, as it not only sheds light on their current capabilities but also highlights the innovative spirit that drives the tech industry forward. So, join us as we explore the fascinating journey of ReactJS and React Native, uncovering the secrets that shaped their development and the impact they continue to have today. The birth of ReactJS. In the early 2010s, Facebook was grappling with significant challenges in managing its complex user interfaces. As the platform grew, so did the intricacies of its front-end code, leading to performance issues and a cumbersome developer experience. This struggle prompted the need for a more efficient solution. Enter Jordan Watt, a software engineer at Facebook, who recognized the potential for a new approach to building user interfaces. Inspired by the idea of creating a more dynamic and responsive experience, Watt began developing what would eventually become ReactJS. The primary goal of ReactJS was to enhance performance by introducing a virtual DOM, which allowed for efficient updates and rendering of UI components. This innovation meant that instead of manipulating the actual DOM directly, React could make changes in a lightweight virtual representation, significantly speeding up the process. Additionally, ReactJS aimed to improve the developer experience by promoting a component-based architecture, enabling developers to create reusable UI components that could be easily managed and maintained. This shift not only streamlined the development process but also fostered a more collaborative environment among teams. ReactJS was born out of necessity, and its inception marked a pivotal moment in the evolution of web development. Key innovations in ReactJS. ReactJS introduced several groundbreaking features that set it apart from traditional frameworks, fundamentally changing how developers approach building user interfaces. One of the most significant innovations is the concept of the virtual DOM. Unlike the actual DOM, which can be slow and cumbersome to manipulate, the virtual DOM is a lightweight copy that allows React to efficiently update and render only the parts of the UI that have changed. This results in improved performance and a smoother user experience, as it minimizes the number of direct manipulations to the actual DOM. Another key feature is the introduction of components, which are reusable UI elements that encapsulate both logic and presentation. This component-based architecture enables developers to break down complex interfaces into smaller, manageable pieces, promoting code reusability and easier maintenance. By creating a library of components, teams can collaborate more effectively and ensure consistency across applications. Additionally, JSX, a syntax extension for JavaScript, has had a profound impact on developer productivity. By allowing developers to write HTML-like code within JavaScript, JSX simplifies the process of creating and managing UI components. This seamless integration enhances readability and makes it easier to visualize the structure of the UI, ultimately leading to faster development cycles and more efficient coding practices. The evolution of React Native. As mobile applications became increasingly essential for businesses and users alike, the demand for cross-platform mobile development grew significantly. Developers faced the challenge of creating separate applications for iOS and Android, leading to increased costs and longer development times. Recognizing this need, Facebook sought to leverage the principles of ReactJS to create a solution that would allow developers to build mobile applications using a single codebase. This vision led to the emergence of React Native in 2015. React Native was designed to extend the core concepts of ReactJS into the mobile realm, enabling developers to use familiar tools and techniques while building high-performance applications. By utilizing a component-based architecture and the virtual DOM, React Native allows for efficient rendering and a smooth user experience on mobile devices. Key contributors to this innovative framework included Facebook's engineering team, who played a crucial role in its development and refinement. Their expertise and commitment to open-source principles helped foster a vibrant community around React Native, encouraging collaboration and continuous improvement. As a result, React Native quickly gained popularity among developers, transforming the landscape of mobile app development and making it easier than ever to create cross-platform applications that deliver a native-like experience. React Native's impact on mobile development. React Native has significantly transformed the mobile app landscape, offering developers a powerful framework that streamlines the development process. One of the primary advantages of using React Native is its ability to enable cross-platform development, allowing developers to write code once and deploy it on both iOS and Android. This not only reduces development time and costs but also ensures a consistent user experience across platforms. Additionally, the framework's component-based architecture promotes code reusability, making it easier to maintain and update applications. Numerous successful apps have been built using React Native, showcasing its capabilities and versatility. Notable examples include Facebook, Instagram, and Airbnb, all of which leverage React Native to deliver high-performance, user-friendly experiences. These success stories have further solidified React Native's reputation as a go-to solution for mobile app development. The growth of React Native can also be attributed to its vibrant community. Developers from around the world contribute to the framework, sharing knowledge, resources, and tools that enhance its functionality. This collaborative spirit fosters innovation and ensures that React Native continues to evolve, adapting to the ever-changing demands of the mobile app market. As a result, React Native has become a cornerstone of modern mobile development, empowering developers to create exceptional applications with ease. The community and ecosystem. The developer community plays a pivotal role in shaping the evolution of ReactJS and React Native, fostering an environment of collaboration and innovation. One of the key aspects of this community is its commitment to open-source contributions. By allowing developers to access, modify, and share code, open-source projects encourage a diverse range of ideas and solutions, ultimately enhancing the frameworks. This collaborative spirit has led to the creation of numerous libraries and tools that complement React, such as Redux for state management, React Router for navigation, and styled components for styling. These resources not only streamline development but also empower developers to build more robust applications. Community engagement is further strengthened through events and conferences dedicated to React and React Native. Gatherings like React Conference and React Europe provide platforms for developers to share knowledge, showcase their work, and connect with peers. These events often feature talks from industry leaders, workshops, and networking opportunities, fostering a sense of belonging and collaboration within the community. As the ecosystem continues to grow, the contributions and engagement of developers remain essential in driving the future of ReactJS and React Native, ensuring that these frameworks evolve to meet the needs of modern web and mobile development. Future of ReactJS and React Native. As we look ahead, the future of ReactJS and React Native appears promising, with ongoing improvements and updates that continue to enhance their capabilities. The React team is committed to refining performance and developer experience, with recent updates focusing on features like concurrent rendering and automatic batching. These advancements aim to make applications more responsive and efficient, allowing developers to create seamless user experiences. In the realm of React Native, we can anticipate exciting potential advancements as well. The community is actively exploring ways to bridge the gap between web and mobile development, with initiatives aimed at improving integration with native modules and expanding support for new platforms. This could lead to even more versatile applications that leverage the strengths of both web and mobile environments. As these technologies evolve, it's essential for developers and enthusiasts to stay informed about new features and best practices. Engaging with the community through forums, attending conferences, and following updates from the React team can provide valuable insights into the latest trends. By staying connected, developers can harness the full potential of ReactJS and React Native, ensuring they remain at the forefront of modern web and mobile development. In summary, the history and impact of ReactJS and React Native reveal a remarkable journey of innovation that has transformed web and mobile development. ReactJS emerged from Facebook's need to manage complex user interfaces, introducing groundbreaking features like the virtual DOM and a component-based architecture that significantly improved performance and developer experience. Following this, React Native expanded these principles into the mobile realm, enabling cross-platform development and allowing developers to create high-quality applications for both iOS and Android with a single codebase. The vibrant community surrounding React technologies has played a crucial role in their growth, contributing valuable libraries, tools, and resources that enhance their functionality. As we look to the future, ongoing improvements and potential advancements promise to keep ReactJS and React Native at the forefront of development. We encourage you to explore these technologies further, whether by diving into documentation, participating in community events, or experimenting with projects. If you found this video informative, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from learning about ReactJS and React Native. Your support helps us create more engaging content and keeps you updated on the latest trends in the world of development. Thank you for watching.